special about this. We're celebrating the people that were part of the Hawaiian music renaissance of the early 1970s. And this man that's coming up next, and it's strange how, you know, your families kind of mix. My dad and his dad, along with Atta Isaacs, used to drink beer at the Herman Klock's Bar in Kalihi. Anybody remember Herman Klock's Bar? Oh, you guys real old then. But his dad, of course, and he was a part of his dad's band. They were right there at the beginning of the renaissance of Hawaiian music that led into Kalapana, CNK, Olamana, and everybody else that we have today that we're celebrating tonight. Would you please put your hands together for Mr. Cyril Pahinui.
You know, it's an honor to be here tonight. You know, I knew Henry, I can go 40 years. I remember Henry when I was in my 20s, when I was 20 years old. But you know, this is so wonderful that Henry put this concert together. We're getting all these musicians, young and old, together. And like you said, we are good friends and we've been playing music all our lives. But you know what, I'm gonna start off the show, my passion. I'm doing a song titled Mango Love. So how many guys here love to eat mango? Huh? So this song, not yet, but hopefully sometime this year I shall record it. Season of a tropic sunlight, starry days and starry nights, to ripen mango, perfect sweetness. Mango love is our completeness. Long dark hair entwined with flowers, cooling trade wind, summer showers, sultry eyes and golden skin. Mango love, deep within. Mango, mango, mango love. It took a season of a tropic sunlight, starry days and starry nights, driving mango, perfect sweetness. Mango love is our completeness. Long dark hair entwined with flowers, cooling trade with summer showers, sultry eyes and golden skin. Mango love, deep within. Mango, mango, mango love. I said mango, mango love. I said mango, mango love. Okay, thank you. I'm going back to the days. This is a song by